Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 or day 1 or day 3. I don't know how I'm going to put it, but that's how I'm going to put it. And if you watched my previous video, I talked about why I'm looking the way I'm looking, so forgive me. And for the person that will come and comment that your video is dull and all that, yeah, I'm sorry if my video doesn't meet up to your standard, but a lot of people do tend to learn about it. It's not about being dull or anything. It's what the knowledge you can actually get from what I'm saying. Yes, it's dull, I understand, and you know, I'm feeling a certain way today, and it's also fine. We're all humans, we have emotions, and we have, time where we are uplifted, sometimes we're just down, and I think I'm in that down phase for now. But yeah, I think my spirit is going to be lifted up soon. So don't judge me, don't come for me. If you come for me in this comment, I will come for you. Yeah, so even though I'm all that sweet and all that, but I'm in a bad mood, so don't come for me. Hey guys, welcome back again. This is your girl Trenda Laura. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. This is a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle, so feel free to check out our previous videos, and I'm sure you're gonna see something you love in there. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing. I really do love and appreciate you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I say a very big thank you. And to my old and returning subscribers, hey guys, thank you guys for always coming back. I really do love and appreciate you. So in the day 1, I talked about soap making and ideas and how you can do your soap. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about scrub. So scrub is my second idea. Okay, so scrub is my second idea. So if you're interested, let's get into this video. So welcome. So I'm talking about scrub. There are different ways you can have a scrub business. Is either by selling it, and then especially when you're a student, school environment is the best place to do this. Everybody wants to look unique, everybody wants to look fine, and these days school they're having this um platform where they call it their school TV, where all the gossip is, where there's you can televise anything, or advertise your stuff. So you just pay some money and then you advertise your stuff. And imagine people trying that. Like, students really don't want to know whether this thing works or it doesn't work. Like, oh yeah, this person is, and then if they try your product and it's popping, like everybody will know you, because it's a school environment. School environment is, and people are ready to spend. Like, I just need to pop, I need my skin to glow and all that. So scrub is a good one. So you can get scrubs and premix. I think I've done how you can mix some scrub here, like whitening scrub. I've talked about it. And then there are different kind of scrubs you can as well mix together to get a flawless skin. And then there are other, when you're dealing with people's face, please stay away from their salt scrub, because salt scrub tend to react to people's face very well. But now there is goat milk salt scrub, and there is a facial scrub. This one I saw two from the girl I buy my things from in Abuja. She actually is advertising like two, so I can't remember the second one, but yeah, if I can remember, I'll put the say it or type it somewhere. And you can as well mix. There are different ways you can mix scrub. They sell that, is it Moroccan, that big scrub. You can get Ashanti scrub, get salt spa scrub, mix them together. If you want it whitening, add your whitening additives. If you want to add little oil, add glycerin, mix it together, make sure it's good. Then it's not going to be thick. The secret to making your scrub thick is by adding xanthan gum. And I also did a video on how you can mix xanthan gum. Okay, so you can mix it to lotion, and it's the same way you can actually mix this to your scrub. And then you mix it, you see all those scrub you see is dry, is drawing, that you be saying, oh wow, this scrub is so yummy. It's xanthan gum they put inside to just make it to have that elasticity and make it really really fine. And don't forget to add your propylene glycol as well. So there are really great ways. That is one way. Then let's talk about Ashanti. Ashanti is another good scrub. So you can add your alum powder, your, oh my god, like my head is actually blank, but I did a video on it. I will link it below. You can do that. That scrub was mad. It was really nice. And then you can do emulsified sugar scrub. For those that don't like soap scrub, you can actually do a very good emulsified sugar scrub that you can sell, and it's very, very great. Trust, like, it's amazing. And then for the face, I know people ask for face, there's oat scrub. You can do emulsified scrub or oat scrub or even almond kind of scrub. If you know you don't go through that stress, there are a lot of really fine grain scrub in the market. Pick Promix, like you can get like 2-3, but make sure they are all good and going to moisturize the skin. Mix it together. You can use that as the face. Make sure they are facial scrub. Read it, always make sure you read, and then if you see that it's for face as well, yeah, you can mix it together, put it in your small container, your label, you're good to go. Or guys, oh, I'm so weak and tired, like, or what you can do is, in school you can just create, okay, Saturday I just want to use my hostel. Like, I stayed alone. I know not everybody stay alone, but I did stay alone in my own room. So you can as well just okay, fine, or do it as home service. You go, you scrub their body. Okay, it's not your thing. From there you can get a store or a shop and start doing it. From there you start, you know but make sure you get a good moisturizer as well, because after you scrub their skin, you need a very good moisturizer to moisturize it. So what you're going to do is, it's your business, so it's scrub. You get your scrub, get a good scrub. There are so many videos here on YouTube as well on how to make a very good scrub. Okay, and it's just remove the dead cells. So what you do, you can just advertise yourself. Oh yeah, you do this for people like to be pampered, people like to be taken care of, people just want to be relaxed and be taken care of. So even me, that sometimes I just look at my scrub like, if only someone can scrub this my body for me, I'll be happy. Yes, people want that. So you can do it as a business, and it pays well. If it's home service, they are paying you, they're paying you very, very well. You get that? Or if you're doing it in your own house and all, that's fine. So you do make sure you just like wet the body a bit, then apply, and gently scrub, gently scrub. So my storage was full, and okay, so you go there and then they pay you. So what you do is you scrub the body. It's just that your hand sha. But yeah, people do wear that glove and you scrub every part of the body and let it just sit for a while, and the person goes and take a bath, and after everything you just rub moisturizer on the person, and that's all you just need to do, and then you're making really great money from that. Or you can create the scrub I mentioned about, how you can do it, and package and sell. People love scrub. You tell them it exfoliates the skin, remove dead cells, and makes cream work very well. People would rush my phone people would rush the scrub. So scrub is another great idea, and I hope you guys are loving this video. If you're loving this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, guys, comment below, and yeah, I think that's it. So I'll be leaving those links in the description box, and you can also do your own research as well. And when you want to go into skincare products, maybe you're confused, just start up little, and but if you have the money and the connection to start up, well, you can as well do that as well. But these are just ideas that you can do at home or as a student and make money. There's this joy in making your own money. Like, there is a joy in it. Like, at the end of the day, you know that yes, I have this. That's something about me, doing makeup. Like, at the end of the day, you get paid, and you're like, okay. So even if you're broke, or you know that okay, I'm going to have something at the end of the day. And really for students, school life is not easy. So yeah, even as school life is not easy, there are people that are still balling, like balling. So yes, so you create your name, create your brand, and I hope it works out for everyone who decides to do this. Well, thank you guys so much. I really love, appreciate you guys. If you're watching me and you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe, turn your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share my video to people and share my link to people as well. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll see you in day 3, which is what I'm shooting now. Bye guys.